If you're a 2500 HD owner, check out this storage build just behind me. Starting at the front of the canopy here, we just got the Tour package here from Enerdrive. That includes the 60 amp of AC charge that you have from your shore power at the back. Got your DC trickle charge from your solar, and if you're not having solar, then that just brings in your alternator charge from your car, along with the 2600 watt inverter. Now that is perfect if you have your induction hubs, microwaves, you name it, is perfect for that. Got your switches, all sorts, your GPO and your primary screen that shows all your display there, and then just your Andersons at the front. So beautiful power package there, and that is perfect for the 2 fridges that he's got in the system. So he's got the 130 litre upright Bushman fridge and the 40 litre EvaKool drawer fridge. Love this setup. Have that as a freezer, and you've got your fridge still there if you're going on the long trips. No, this is an absolute storage masterpiece. You've got your long, pretty much tunnel here for, you know, your swags, fishing rods, all your long weird shapes that you want to try and fit in your canopy. Perfect little blank canvas there for you. Up top we've got roof storage, so if you've got those little chairs, little packed up little foldable tables, perfect up there. It's out the way, it's not in your line of sight. And then you've just got these absolute units. It comes to your drawer system, 350 tall, 900 long, and approximately 450 to 500 wide. Absolutely perfect when it comes to storing things like your induction, or you got you know, charging appliances and stuff like that that you want to use on your power system. And then we just come down to the bottom. Got your pull-out drawers, as everyone loves. Nice and simple. Reach straight in. You got your LEDs and central locking. Absolute massive capacity in them. Roughly about 35 litres on the front. And then just got your little 27 litre rear drawers here. The exact same scenario. I've got your toolbox LEDs and your central locking in there. Alright, so just coming to the back, the absolute trifecta when it comes to your rear wall setup here. Got your rear ladder, so that'll be perfect once he installs his rooftop tent. So he has the bi-fold ladder there to access up to the top. Got his 20 litre Jerrycan holder, all lockable of course, so don't have to worry about your fuel getting nicked. It's all lockable and safe and secure. And then just your spare wheel holder on the other side there. Just underneath, got a nice tunnel drawer. So we got 125 deep internally, and then that's a 1.2 meter long tunnel drawer. Because we've got the rear ladder that comes offset so much, we just have to offset the stainless there, but beautiful N4 finish on the stainless, nice food grade, perfect prep bench. Yeah, if you just cook it at the back. So just coming underneath, we got a nice clean infill panel, comes in standard with all our builds with the big Americans. Got your trailer plug and just your nice little handles tucked up nice and neat away. And then we've just got the aqua deck on the back here, so with your 60 litre headboard tank and then up to 85 litres on the under tray tank, you can access all that literage through your aqua deck, through your pump. Same on the passenger side here. Got the under tray options, the pull-out toolboxes and the diesel and the AdBlue relocation fillers there, so quick access to them on the headboard. But inside the canopy, as I mentioned before, we've got the 130 litre Bushman upright. Absolute unit when it comes to your fridge storage options. Keeps everything nice and cold. It is an absolute perfect unit when it comes to your upright fridges. Got your GPO panels there, and then just some 12 volt sockets on the bottom, just for your standard appliances and stuff. Got the drawer with bench next to it, so when you're prepping and you want to pull out your Bushman fridge, getting your groceries out, got a perfect little prep bench there when you're making your sandwiches and all sorts. So just an overview of the standard inclusions that we include at Trade Tech. So a lot of things that people could just kind of pass by. We've got false floors for the rest of the canopy, so if you're optioning your canopy or you pick config and there's that bare space, these false floors are actually a standard inclusion with the canopy config price. Things like the double skin on canopy doors, standard inclusion as well, so you don't have anything knocking, bending your actual canopy door. So that's a standard inclusion. Stuff like your blind spot, reverse camera relocation, that is all standard inclusions as well. So we do not miss anything when it comes to the factory relocation and to make our product look clean. So in terms of customer options, to set his build aside from the rest out there, he's added some simple little things like the divider on the side of the drawer bench there, so he didn't want anything falling over, so he's added those in. The fridge GPO panel is an option. You've got the roof storage and the roof rack on top, so that holds your solar panel. You've got extrusion up there, so you can slide your channel nuts in, you can bolt anything to it, so that is an option up there as well. So that kind of sets his build apart from anyone else's out there. Alright guys, so that wraps up the build on the Chevy 2500 just behind me. So he's optioned in the 2-meter canopy. He's got a pretty storage based system there. He's got the 2 fridges, and he's added his little gadgets in there just to set his part as built apart from everyone else. So if you want to check out other content, we've got our YouTube, our Facebook, and our Instagram. We've got plenty to show. So yeah, check out those videos, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.